everyone, first of all, I just want to say I'm sorry. I know I haven't posted in over 8 months. As you can see, I have a new background. I recently moved and I went on a trip to the Philippines that was like almost a month. But anyways, no more excuses. Comment down below on any suggestions on the videos I should do next. My first year as a nurse at a care facility definitely had some ups and downs, loop-de-loops, all of the above. I'm going to share some of my experiences with you and give you some pointers so your first year can be a little bit better than mine. You just graduated and got your first job as a nurse. Woohoo! You might think that you know everything, but just because you were in school and you experienced everything during clinicals, right? Well, you're wrong. Your first few months at your first job will be the hardest because you are still trying to build a routine, still getting to know your residents, and you may not even know some of the procedures that you have to follow. That's okay. Just make sure to ask a lot of questions and find a coworker you're comfortable with to even ask, because you may experience this. Hey, I have a question. What is it? Resident B's blood sugar is 50. Should I give him sugar packets or orange juice? What did you just say? I said orange juice or Splenda. Shouldn't you know this already? See. If you ever experience anything like that, don't feel bad because not everyone knows everything the first time around. If situations like that, you can find another coworker you're comfortable with to ask them questions instead. Another thing you do is take your time. You have a higher chance of missing a step if you are frantically trying to do everything at once, trying to help everyone at once, etc. It might be okay to make a mistake during school, but this is real life. This is the real deal. This is someone's life in your hands. For example, mistakes you can make is a medication error, giving a blood pressure medication that you shouldn't because there's a parameter, or giving a resident a regular diet but they are only pureed. One fatal mistake can affect someone's life. Also, do not feel discouraged if your first job is working with the geriatric community and you never worked with them before. It's a whole different generation. They might not be used to you like you're not used to them, so just keep an open mind. Another thing for you nurses is wearing comfortable shoes. You are going to be walking everywhere and anywhere. Hear me when I say comfort over fashion. Also, maybe the place you work does not need you to wear scrubs or not, but if you do, you don't have to buy the really expensive ones that cost you hundreds of dollars, blah blah blah, and this and that. Okay, if you're still watching, be sure to like and subscribe. Now let me get down to the most important thing, something that can save your ass. 3 words for you: document, document, document. And that you should do like a zoom in, you know? And when I say document, I mean document everything. CYA. Cover your ass. I don't know why I put my hands up. You will eventually come across a resident or the resident's family, their advocate, etc., complaining about something. It might not even be about you. It could be about another nurse. If an issue becomes a concern, most likely the higher ups will want to conduct an investigation. So this is where documenting your actions and reasonings can eventually cover yourself. All right, lastly, you might experience some of your colleagues or coworkers or managers complain about you or make comments about you. Not directly through them, but maybe from someone else. And trust me, this is the most annoying he said, she said thing. Just ask your colleagues or your boss for any adjustments you can make. And if your boss says you are actually doing it right, just ignore those people. If they agree that you are doing the right thing, the best thing to do is to block out the noise and just do your job like everyone else. Not everyone will talk bad about you, but there will always be that one bad apple that likes to start something. It's in your best interest to be a better influence to your peers and to make the work environment more a positive vibe. That's all I got for now, so please comment down below any suggestions or ideas you want me to do in the next video. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!